Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about which bank works with Revolut. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm finally here to answer it for you. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, currency exchange, and investing. They're a relatively new company, but they've already gained a lot of popularity, especially among young people. So, which bank works with Revolut? The answer is that it depends on your location. Revolut has partnerships with a number of different banks around the world. In the UK, for example, Revolut works with Barclays Bank. In the US, Revolut works with Metropolitan Commercial Bank. If you're not sure which bank Revolut works with in your country, you can check their website or contact their customer service team. Benefits of using Revolut. Now that you know which bank works with Revolut, let's talk about some of the benefits of using their services. One of the biggest benefits of using Revolut is that you can get access to a variety of financial services in one place. This can be really convenient, especially if you're someone who travels a lot or does business internationally. Another benefit of using Revolut is that they offer competitive exchange rates. This means that you can save money when you convert your currency. Revolut also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to set up multiple accounts and currencies, the ability to track your spending and budgeting, the ability to get cashback on your purchases, the ability to send and receive money internationally. Drawbacks of using Revolut. Of course, there are also some drawbacks to using Revolut. One of the biggest drawbacks is that Revolut is not yet available in all countries. This means that if you live in a country where Revolut is not available, you won't be able to use their services. Another drawback of using Revolut is that they don't offer as many features as some of their competitors. For example, Revolut doesn't offer a checking account or a savings account. Overall, Revolut is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. If you're eligible to use Revolut, I highly recommend giving them a try. Additional tips. Before you sign up for Revolut, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Make sure you understand the fees associated with using Revolut. Be aware of the exchange rates that Revolut offers. Make sure you have a valid form of identification. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.